teaching is providing a bridge or crossing to schools. Okay, next. Education through Ikay.edu project. This project covers two areas. One is content. We're trying to develop the content of the schools right now. As you will notice, ang problema sa mga schools natin, they are not engaged in technology. Bakit sinasabi nila? Bakit tayo nalalag behind from Malaysia, Singapore? Kasi sila, they are engaging in technology. Ang eskwelahan natin, pinag-aawayan pa rin natin ngayon kung paano magbasa. Samantalang yung mga bata doon sa ginagamit na ang YouTube, ginagamit na ang laptop sa loob ng kanilang eskwelahan, tayo, pinag-aawayan pa rin natin kung paano humawak ng tamang papel, ballpen, sumulat. Samantalang yung mga bata sa bahay nila, naglalaro na ng computer. Okay? Content. Web 2.0 application for school administrators and teachers. We're trying to provide them with the information on the use of Google tools. Workshop on the use of computer games in teaching motivation and keeping students on online education. Ang games ba ay nakakatulong o nakakasama sa bata? Sa atin nakakatulong. Siyempre, friend and brother natin yun eh.
Nakakatulong siya in sense of analytical ability. Tulad niya yung sinabi ng Commissioner kanina. Kasi medyo mahina tayo sa mathematics eh. Kumbaga sa analytical ability nakakatulong siya.
Paano yung mga violent games? Like Counter-Strike, Half-Life, yung isa, GTA, yung pinakapaborito na lahat, GTA. Paborito ng 3-year-old na bata, pinapalo niya yung back ng kalaban. Kasi yung bata na-expose siya daw sa violence, anong nangyari? Ikaw naman, as a parent, sabihin mo sa kanya, that is something that is bad. So ano gagawin ng bata? Marirealize niya, hindi niya gagawin yun in real life. Okay, next. Now, to the courtesy of Mr. John Macasio and Mr. Gary David, a portal was set up. This is what we call as aralan.org. This portal actually contains all the educational links that you need for internet cafe owners and teachers to use in educating their students. As you will know, nandiyan na yun. Nandiyan lahat ng links na kailangan mo. From Wikipedia, how stuff works, about.com, basic elementary education, everything that you need to have in your computer. Punta bata sa inyo, makikita nyo lang lahat dyan sa links na yan. Next. Also, wala. Access, providing schools with a system in which they will be able to maximize the use of technology in their daily activities. Napakaraming eskwelahan, ang problema, computer lab, pang-advertisement lang. What are we trying to do? We're trying to encourage them. Paggamit nyo sa bata, pa-access nyo sa bata. How are we going to do that? We're going to do that by providing a self-sustaining e-learning center. Bakit hindi nyo paggamit sa bata yan? Internet cafe sa loob ng eskwelahan. Paggamit nyo, pabayaran nyo, next school year, meron kayong bagong computer units. Hindi nyo kaya? Sandaan kami rito. Baka gusto nyo kami bigyan ng opportunity, magtayo ng internet cafe sa loob ng eskwelahan. Okay? Imus Municipal Digital Library and Training Center. Ibig sabihin, we would like to have a training center courtesy of the municipal government.